Hey yo, today we're doing the garbage disposal. This is where the dishwasher drains into it. You gotta drill it out. As you can see, I've already started. There are holes I'm drilling in a circle, and you can see it's really thick. See if I can zoom in on this guy. There you go, you see him coming through. You see, it's pretty thick plastic. So now let's do the rest of it. I can use a hole there. I'm gonna try popping it out. Screwdriver. Didn't work. Well, drill broke, so I got a new one. This one's a bigger one. So here we go. Now we got the drill charging. There's no light on it anywhere, saying that it's charging. But we'll just wait it out. We've got our drill. And we are done. Maybe a little bit of sanding. You can see I've got it. Mostly, it's pretty cleaned out. And then let's go back on it. This is just a rubber thing. Cut it on. And angling, you get it on. This goes here. Here's the dishwasher pipe. You just twist it on. Left, right, left, right, left, right. And then we have this clamp. Well, hello. Clamp back first. Now it's loose. So now you just slide it there. Take this guy and just tighten the shit out of it. Done. Gotta do this part. D-O-N, done. No leaks. Plugged it in. Sounds thirsty. Nom 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 nom. Now we run the dishwasher. There we go. You missed it, but there's disgusting water in there for a second coming out, so it worked. No leaks, I guess. It's pretty thick plastic. Works.